Hello guys, it's Dale here, and today in this video I'd like to talk about trading idea on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. This is a day trading analysis, so you are looking at 30-minute chart. That's my favorite chart to do the day trading analysis. And what I want to talk about in here is this strong buying activity on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar that started yesterday and continued earlier today. So this strong buying activity is telling us that buyers are in control and that they are manipulating the price to go upwards. When there's a trend like this, you want to use flexible volume profile to look into the trend area. Now in here, there are two places that stand out. This volume cluster and those heavy volumes. Now let me start with this volume cluster in here and the reasoning behind it. So what the volume profile is telling us is that buyers were pushing the price upwards and they were adding to their long positions in here. This is what the volume profile is telling us, right? And the reason I'm saying that those are buyers is that the price is going upwards, right? That's why I'm saying that buyers were adding to their longs there. Now, it is likely that those buyers will defend this heavy volume zone in the future when the price comes back to this level. The reason is that they placed a lot of their longs here and this is an important zone for them. So otherwise they wouldn't have placed that many longs there. So when there's a pullback at some point in the future to this level, to the beginning of that heavy volume cluster, which is at 0.9285, I expect a reaction from there. Now there's also a thing which adds strength to that level, and the thing is that if you scroll back a bit, then you can see that this zone here, that's the level, right? 92.85 was a very strong heavy volume zone in the past as well. If I delete this and delete also the flexible volume profile, you can see that it was weekly point of control from this whole week, right? If you look at the gray volume profile here, then it's widest at this place. So this means that this was the weekly point of control. In here, the price went past that weekly point of control with not too huge reaction, only a small one. Let me show you in here, but it went past it, and this heavy volume zone now adds strength to the level, all right? Because it was heavy volume zone in the past, it was a very important zone in the past. So we have that weekly point of control, and also we have that volume cluster in here. All right, so that's why I think that this should work as a strong support. What I would like to see now is more price action above the level before trading it, right? Because if the price made, for example, this short reversal and went towards the level, it would be very risky, right? Because it would mean that sellers are in control, they rejected higher prices, and it would make longs from here risky going against strong sellers. But if the price continues to rotate above the level for some time, let's say for 2 or 3 more hours, then it is safe to trade at this level. Well, as safe as trading could be, but the probability is better that it will work, because it would mean that the market accepted the higher prices. All right, so that's why I prefer to wait for some more price action above the support level, and then when there's a pullback, take the trade. That would be the ideal scenario. Now, regarding the second long, second support in here, it is at 0.9198, and it is also based on the trend setup, the same setup as this level, this support. In here we have way heavier volumes marking the place where I want to go long from, So in this area, buyers were really active. They were adding to the long positions massively, and as you can see from this place, really aggressive trend started. So this is a place where buyers were active, they were adding to the long positions, and then they pushed the price aggressively upwards from this place. This is sort of an open drive from here. So when there's a pullback, I expect a reaction from there. All right, a reaction from those buyers trying to defend this heavy volume zone, which is important for them. So those guys should manipulate the price to go upwards from here again. So the ideal scenario would be some more price action above the first support, then pullback and a reaction, then another pullback to the second support and reaction from there. All right, so what we need to do now is just wait for the price to come to those supports and take it from there. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about trading with volume profile, then I recommend visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and I recommend clicking this button which says Browse Courses. And if you click it, it will take you to this page where you can get my elite pack, which is educational and indicator pack focusing on volume profile trading. And you can also get order flow pack, which focuses on teaching you how to trade with order flow. There's a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the order flow pack. There's also a video which will show you everything that's included in the elite pack in here. And if you are interested in both, then there is a combo pack at the bottom of the page. In here you can get both packs for a discounted price. All right, so that's about that. That's about the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.